Students, welcome back again to our digital class of Advocate Babusaheb Bhonde High School. Once again, we are here with a new video of English 1. Now tell me children, what do you see in the sky? Yes, the sun, the clouds, the birds, the helicopters, the aeroplanes, and in the night you can see the stars, the moon, and sometimes in the rainy season you can see the rainbows. Now tell me children, do you can you see all these heavenly bodies, that is the moon, the satellites, the stars, the comets, very clearly in the sky at night? No, because as they are very far from us, they seem very small to us and we cannot see them properly with our eyes. So, to see this properly, we use a telescope. Now, what is a telescope, children? Telescope is an instrument for viewing distant object. Distant means uh, for seeing far objects. Here you can see a telescope, it has two ends. So you have to see from this end and you have to focus in the sky from this end and you can see all the heavenly bodies clearly with the help of this telescope. So children, we are going to recite a poem from the Bal Bharati textbook, lesson number 4.6, My Telescope. So let's see what the poet, that is Tory Bradman, want to say about the telescope. I bought myself a telescope to look into the sky. So children, the poet Tony Bradman says that he bought a telescope to look into the sky, to see the solar system and the comets whizzing by. So now the poet is telling that he wanted to see the solar system and the comets whizzing by. The solar system means the sun and the other heavenly bodies. Here you can see these are the heavenly bodies, the stars, the comets and the satellite and the planets. These all are the heavenly bodies, and the sun, they are called solar system. And the comets, the comet also is a part of the solar system, which means a heavenly body made up of ice and dust and with one or more tails. You can see here, this is a comet with one or more tail, and whizzing means moving swiftly with a noise. So the poet is telling that he wanted to see the solar system and the comets that were moving swiftly here and there. I searched the sky for planets. Now he wanted to search the sky for planets. Now these are the planets. Now what are planets, children? Planets are the large bodies that revolve around the sun in the solar system. For satellites and stars. She also searches for satellites and stars. Now what are satellites, children? Satellites is a heavenly body going around the bigger body. An object such as moon that moves around a much larger planet is called a satellite. You can see this is a satellite, and you also want to see the stars closely by the help of the telescope. Now it is, it's brought them very close to me. It's made the stars my friends. So with the help of the telescope, all the things have come very close to him, and also he tells it had made the stars his friends. Except of course when I make a mistake and look through the wrong end. Now he tells that except of course means if he looks through the wrong end. See, you can see there. Now if he looks, that is the poet, if he looks from the wrong side, he will not be able to see anything in the sky what he wishes to see. So he is telling if he makes a mistake, he will not be able to see anything from the telescope. Now, I hope you must have understood with the help of the picture. Now, let's recite this poem once again. You have to listen and repeat after me. I bought myself a telescope to look into the sky, to see the solar system and the comets whizzing by. I searched the sky for planets, for satellites and stars. And now I've got a telescope. They don't seem very far. It's brought them very close to me. It's made the stars my friends. Except, of course, when I make a mistake and look through the wrong end. By Tony Bradman. So the poet name is Tony Bradman. He have brought a telescope. So this was a poem about telescope. I hope you must have understood this poem very well and enjoyed it also. Now let's see the sight words of this poem. You have to look and say after me. FAR, far. SEEM, seam. STAR, stars. SOLAR, solar. COMETS, comets. SYSTM, system. BOUGST, bot. MYSELF, myself. SEARCH, search. PLANETS, planets. TELESCOPE, telescope. WHIZZING, whizzing. SATELLITS, satellites. So let's read it again. Far, seam, stars, solar, comets, system, bot, myself, search, planets, telescope, whizzing, satellites. So these were the sight words of the poem. You too have to learn and write these words in your English notebook. Now let's see again the meaning of some words. You have to read aloud the following words and their meanings. This is telescope, an instrument for viewing distinct object. Distinct means far object. Solar system, the sun and other heavenly bodies around it. The meaning of comet is a heavenly body made of ice and dust with one or more tails. Whizzing means moving swiftly with a noise. Planets means the large bodies that revolve round the sun in the solar system. Satellite, a heavenly body going around a bigger body, an object such as a moon that moves around a much larger planet is called a satellite. So these are the meaning of some words. So children, I hope you must have understood the meanings and the poem also. So bye till now. Keep recite the poem and enjoy learning. So and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for further notification. Thank you.